Good morning, class 8. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nawada. This is the 8th video lecture of the chapter Conservation of Biodiversity. So, in last few videos, we were discussing about the protected areas. So, in protected areas, we have discussed that there is biosphere reserve, there is wildlife sanctuary, and there is national park. So while biosphere reserve we have discussed, in that we have also discussed endemic species, flora and fauna, endangered species, extinct species. So all these things we have discussed. So the next topic which we have to discuss is wildlife sanctuary. What is wildlife sanctuary? As the name says, wildlife means the area which is strictly reserved for the protection of animals only. This is called wildlife sanctuary. This wildlife sanctuary is the area where animals are protected. It means killing of animal, like is poaching, and the hunting or capturing of the animal is strictly banned in this area. First point. Second point, normal timber cutting means timber tree cutting and minor forest products that the local people collect. So these activity can be done, but until these activity do not affect the wildlife in that protected area. So what I am saying, animals are protected, killing and poaching is stopped, means banned, and the cutting of timber and collection of minor forest products is done until it do not affect the wildlife of that sanctuary. Okay, see, what is wildlife sanctuary? Note down: an area strictly reserved for the protection of animals only. Okay, the activity which is banned: poaching. What is poaching? Killing of animals and capturing of animals are banned here. Okay, next, cutting of timber tree. Timber means the trees whose wood is used for making furniture. So timber tree and collection of minor forest products is allowed until it do not affect the well-being of animals in the sanctuary. So poaching and killing is prohibited, but cutting and collection of the minor timber tree and minor forest product is allowed here. Okay, so example of some wildlife sanctuary. First is Bharatpur bird sanctuary. This Bharatpur bird sanctuary, it is in Rajasthan, and this is for birds, as it says bird sanctuary. One more thing, the Siberian crane is only found here in India. Okay. Next is Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake Bird Sanctuary. It is in Odisha. As it says bird, it is also for birds. Third is Sultanpur Lake Bird Sanctuary. This is in Haryana. This is also for birds. Fourth is Bandipur Sanctuary. This is in Karnataka, and it is for elephant. So these are the example of some wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, thank you for the day, and next day we will discuss about the national park.